Welcome to Play Digital Signage Tutorials. Today, we're going to take a look at how to use the multi-create function to build a playlist with multiple slides quickly and efficiently. Let's start by creating a new playlist. I'll call it multi-create. Choose the standard 16:9 aspect ratio and click Create and Edit. Here we have the canvas and an empty playlist. To add content, I'll move the mouse to the menu above the canvas and click on Assets. This opens the library where we can add slides to our playlist. If I wanted to add a single image, I'd just click on it and it would appear in the playlist. But in this example, I want to add several slides at once. To do that, I'll hover over an image and click the check mark. Now I can select multiple images by clicking on their check marks too. At the bottom of the Assets window, I'll choose Create a slide per asset so that each image gets its own slide. In the next step, I can set the duration for all 5 slides at once. I can add a transition between each slide by clicking on the drop-down menu. I'll choose Fade to Black. The transition length can be adjusted by moving the slider to my liking. Under the Advanced drop-down, I can set the scaling to either Scale to Fit or Scale to Fill. I'll choose Scale to Fit. I can change the slide background color. For this example, I'll keep it black. And finally, I can add slide conditions like specific dates and times, time ranges, weekdays, screens, or tags. Once everything looks the way I want, I'll click Create Slides and the playlist is ready. And that's it. Using multi-create is a simple way to build playlists faster while keeping everything consistent. If you have any questions about multi-create or slide conditions, go to playsignage.com or reach out via the live chat. We are live 24/7 with dedicated people ready to help. Thank you for watching. See you next time.